Hello everyone and welcome back. Last tutorial we saw some commit and how to do commit, how to do some modified, how to change between the stages, things like that. And in this tutorial, let's say just last time I did one commit in my file, and let's say you forget to include some file and you don't want to commit it, you want to come back to the previous stage of your file. Or let's say you had some other file in your folder that you want to include and you forget to commit it. How do we do it then? Okay, in that case, I'm going to show you how to do that as well. In Git, there is something called amend command. Okay, uh, which helps you to actually replace back your original file version, something like this. I think this will do something like this. Let's say you want to include more file. Okay, you didn't and you forget to include those file, and you want to now come back from the commit what you did before. So in that case, what you can do is git, okay, commit commit, that means the commit you did, and amend. Okay, it's a bit risky kind of uh, command, but make sure you know what you are doing actually. In this case, ame and sorry, okay, git commit amend. Now let's say I enter it. You see, it asks for a message for me, and it opened the notepad because I maybe set up the notepad as my node editor. Let's say is it for stage. I would say on stage on forget to include file something like that. Because the reason it's open this one for me is for you may not open it, but the reason it opened this file the notepad for me is because I've set up the like that way in my way. You can set up and in that way as well. So let's say it says please enter the commit message. Hacks will be ignored. I mean you cannot put any hacks, and that's it. All you need to do that, and I think that should be fine now. Yep. Now as you can see that once I edit the message and close that notepad, yeah, I think it did on stage. I mean, like, it did on commit my previous commit. Now let me go to the git status. Working tree is clean, and I think it did what it's supposed to do. Uh, this is how you amend the file. That means you can recover your data or do amend in a git. Okay, forgetting your file, so that I have done that. I hope this is quite useful as well. And now let's say we want to work in a different version of the file. Let's say in currently I have just one file and I'm working in one file only. Let's say there is two people working on the same file. How do we do that? Yeah, and how do we merge these two things, and for that I think we need to use a git branch, which is very useful and very helpful. I found it, and for now we're gonna just make it in local, and later we're gonna do it in remote, which is very important. Okay, for now let's do in local. How to create the branch? Currently we just have master branch. So in order to create a branch in git, first of all let me tell you what is a branch actually. I think that will be quite helpful for you guys. uh, as you know, git is a version control system, and each time you do any commit, it takes the kind of snapshot. It's called snapshot, and it keeps on adding on it. And yeah, I really recommend you to go to the git the official websites and read about how branching works. I mean, like how that head thing works and things like that. But for now I'm just gonna actually create the branch straight away and show you the basic command to create the branch. Okay, so creating a new branch in a git is quite easy. uh, to create the new branch, all you need to do is git, okay, branch branch. Let's say branch name is you need to give a name of the branch now. uh, let's say adding I did first change before, adding you need to give the branch name. What can I give branch name? A2 branch, easy. A2 branch, okay. A2 branch, master branch, and we have A2 A branch. Yeah, I'll just give it A branch. For now, I just give A branch. I couldn't really think any name, okay. So I give A branch, okay. So git branch AA. The name of the branch is AA, okay. Enter. Now I think it did create a branch for me. Just let me check. In order to see what are the branches you have, you just need to type git branch. Yeah, as you can see here, it gave me A and master branch, and currently I'm in master branch because the start tell me, okay. So I'm currently working on a master branch, not in a A branch. Let's say I want to work on an A branch that I just created, which is, let's say, the different developer. Let's say you are working on a, and for you can create B branch. Let's create a B branch as well. Branch called BB. Okay, now I have two branches called AA, BB. The master branch is something that is, you shouldn't be taught that much. That you just do final thing in the master branch, and most of the job you do in a git, you do in a sub branch. Okay, so I have created a branch. Now let me see git brncs branch BB. Sorry, git brncs branch. As you can see, now I have AA, BB, and master branch. Okay, so I want to go to A branch and start working on my file. How do I do that? Okay, because let's say git, in order to go to your A branch, you need to type something called checkout. Checkout. Okay, what checkout does is send you to the branch that you want to go, or switch. Okay, but you cannot type switch, you need to use checkout. Let's say I want to go to AA branch, checkout AA. It says switch to branch A. I mean, now I am in my AA branch. Okay, and I come back to my notepad. I'm just gonna delete that file and open with, now I'm in my A branch. Okay, whatever I do changes here, it will be staying A branch. Okay, all right, and now A branch file, open with what I'm gonna use. Should I use Gmail? But no, I'm gonna choose another app. It should have some notepad. I cannot see notepad here. I don't know why. Okay, you got notepad. Okay, I got it. Okay, I've opened the file in A branch. Now I say in has two thing. Okay, I'm in A branch, guys. Don't forget. I said this text is from AA BRNCS A branch. Okay, and save it. I save the file. This text is from A branch. Okay. Now, if I look at this file in a browser, as you can see, it says this text is from AA branch. Okay. Now let's say I want to go to BB branch. I'm currently in A branch, because since I have done some changes, it would not let me go to the B branch until I do commit or undo the what changes I have made. I think so. It wouldn't let me go to the other branch until I do commit. Git check out. Let me try BB. Let's say I want to go to BB branch. Yeah, it says switch to BB branch. Now I'm actually switched. It did let me go, which is fine. Now I'm in BB branch. Okay. Git status. Yep, yeah, the git status. It says I have done some modified, but I didn't commit. So let me go to the A branch back and do that commit and come back to B branch. Okay. All right. Git checkout A branch, which I did some changes for. This is what I want to show to the A branch. This is the check from A branch. Okay, and I want to git add what that index.html. Okay, file is added. Now let's say I commit it. git commit. I need to give some message called edit from a branch. Okay, this is edit from a branch. All right, the file has been committed. It has been gone to the a branch. Okay, we have successfully committed our first file from our a branch. Okay, in next tutorial I will be showing you how we can now use this branching feature in order to take advantage of the version control system. Real version control systems comes here, guys. Please, it's very important that you watch next part of this tutorial. Otherwise, it is quite will not be so helpful for you guys. Please watch next tutorial. Okay, and thank you very much for being here. And don't forget to subscribe in my channel if you find this tutorial useful and helpful for you only. Thank you very much.